don't know what happened. My GoPro died. You should have seen it. It was amazing.
Your GoPro's still on.
Covered it. We'll be back another time. We're going to shower.
Yeah, right. No way.
Hey, seriously, you come back, I'm not here, I'm going that way.
Well, we just upgraded the camera to the GoPro 10. Test the audio, see how our wind noise is. Also, I adjusted my microphone around, see how much wind we pick up like that. I got it stuffed inside my cheek pad now. Still using the Purple Panda, but I switched over to the GoPro 10 and then went with the ULANZI mount instead of the medium mod. That way you got the convenience of being able to change the batteries out without taking the camera completely off the mount. Headed over to meet up with JPADV at 5th Gear Power Sports. Sounds like he's out shopping for a bar pad for the KLR. Only so many back ways to get to 5th Gear that you guys haven't seen. We'll see what we can come up with to make it a little interesting. Let's go this way. That's the whorehouses, and then the Elko Wild Bunch Clubhouse. We just went by there. A buddy of mine there, he bought the Pan America same time I did. He also had quite a few issues with it. It's kind of a bummer. Looks like he got it running today. Made it all the way to Elko from Spring Creek, so that's a good sign. Well, it's definitely taking us back way to 5th Gear. Oh, cool. They painted the igloo. That's now a recreation area. It used to be where they stored all the ice. Uh-oh. No JPADV. Wonder where he ended up. Not sure where JP ended up. Maybe the KLR won't start. Should. Guess we'll go down there and check the shell. Maybe he's hanging out here. Well, then he's not here. So we're gonna have to go hunt JPADV down. Maybe the KLR didn't start. Maybe the Honda wouldn't start. Whew. This jacket's getting warm just right around town. Might be a little bit much. The WRX. Boxer engine. They always sound good. Well, this is not the place you want to turn left. I think it's broken. Oh, we tracked him down, guys. There he is. It's JPADV. What are you thinking? You're not going to expose them for all their rotten meat, are you?
No.
Huh.
That guy that gave us the thumbs up?
What guy?
They were fans.
Fans? I didn't even see. I didn't even see.
If they're fans of Adventure Glide or...
I didn't even see him.
Or JPADV.
JP says he's taking us to White Rock. Change of plans. Not this way. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. We got the little tack strips on. They're tacky, super touch. Yeah. Is that working? It's working. I can hear it. I don't know if you guys can. So the good news is I should. Alright, we do the next song. They ain't great. What do you expect though? I got fat fingers. Look at those suckers. But you can see the little tack strip on there that glues it out. Oh, there's the White Rock Road. I think we found what JP was looking for. Here it is. The infamous White Rock Road. One lane underpass.
What the?
Oh, you know what happens at these. How do you not? Oh yeah, taking a little adventure. We'll let the dust settle a little bit. nice little gravel road here. That's good, I like it. I'm assuming somewhere out here there's a big old white rock. I wonder if it is the other kind of white rock. Wonder how JP knows about this. I don't see a single rock out here. What kind of white rocks do they have out here?
That's what they call it.
Oh, it's one heck of a carport there. That reminds me of Arkansas. Oh, this is super muddy.
Yeah, I'm trying to put my back end over there.
Through the mud? Or are you going to try and get it over there?
Yeah.
She's slide. You see mud, you just go for it.
Yeah, I got mud all over my shoes. Yeah, I don't know how much we're going to find this like this. Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, you got her, buddy.
You got to bring the gold one.
Yeah, I was like, I wonder how far he's going to make it.
Saw a patch is dry up.
Just pin it to win it.
I was like, yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Yeah, that's what mud flaps are for.
I don't know what happened. My GoPro died. You should have seen it. It was amazing. Look at this bike.
Your GoPro's still on.
Covered it. Still, we'll be back. Another time.
JP's trail. Kinda looks like I'm following a horse. It kind of looks like I'm following a horse. Headed out 5th Street. We've been out here in the dark before. Pretty fun ride. Sure we'll get snowed out, but we'll give it a shot. Well, the snow's melted off the road pretty good. Kind of a shocker. Figured it'd be drifted over.
Got it. I just want to get a little drone footage.
Got what?
We're going to the tower.
Yeah, right. No way. That road's drifted over.
We're not going to that tower. We're going to this tower.
I know. That's why I want to go see what the hell they're all doing.
If I'm not, I'm at the towers.
Yeah.
Hey, seriously, if you come back and I'm not here, just go up that way.
Okay. I don't think there's enough snow, but it sure looks like something's going on up there. Imagine all these people ain't coming up here just to hang out. Let's go see. Maybe they're doing some sled. Hard to say. Well, they were running the Snowbowl. Interesting enough, seen the guys, they were going up that tow rope, skiing back down. Not a whole lot of snow up there, but I guess it's better than nothing. I wonder where JPADV is going. It really doesn't look like he's going anywhere. I guess I'll walk up there and see. I thought he was gonna make it a lot further than that. I told him I thought he'd make it at least a half mile, but this ain't no half mile. Yeah, spin it! Well, I totally expect you to make it a half mile.
I'm in gear.
Can you get on it?
Get on the bike?
Yeah. You want me to?
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm gonna dump it.
Alright. Well, take it out of gear, I'll get on it. Yeah, grab the front end and drag it that way.
By the wheel?
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let's turn it this way. Okay, come over here and hold your front brake. Hold that front brake tight.
I thought I was just going to make it farther.
No, hold on. Which way takes your case off?
You got to push from this side. Yeah. Good.
We're good. Thanks. We'll have to push it. She's sinking. Neutral. Might just be all the mud on the tire. I'll hold it, you can jump on it. Yeah, I didn't see that coming at all. Well, it makes for good video. Alright, just climb on it. That's a lot of mud in there. Whew, that was a lot of work. Well, that's how you get a KLR out of a mud hole. He made it. Oh, that air's cold on my hands. Well, guys, we're gonna cruise back up to the Snowbowl with JPADV. He was gonna try and make it up to those towers up there. That didn't work out though. We could see with the drone that the road was pretty well snowed in. Guessing about a half mile, just based off of the distance that the drone was telling me that it was. He really wanted to go see how far he could make it. Got into that mud rut, turned it around, and as you can see, that mud's pretty nasty. Sure, he probably could have made it, but it'd have been a pin it to win it type situation. So here we are at the Snowbowl. Oh, everybody's gone. We'll see if we can get some drone footage before the sun goes down. That cooled me down. All right, that's the Snowbowl, guys. Getting a little on the chilly side. Uh-oh.
What the?
JPADV showing us some of the strict moves over here. He feels out while he's out on the bike. I think that's the kickstand spin around. I feel like I can take my heated grips all the way to 5 now. Oh yeah. Where do you want to ride to tomorrow?
California?
Alright, you heard it, guys. Tomorrow we're going to California. I don't have to be back till Tuesday.
Yeah, good for you.
Ooh, burnout, burnout. Well, the mountain biker's getting after it. It's pretty close to doing 30 miles an hour. That ain't bad.